I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God.
What's up guys, Icon here, and today we're going to be reacting to, yeah, you read the title right, Millennial Cartoon Network clips. For the main time, even though I'm Gen Z, which is forever, we're still going to react to Millennial Cartoon Network clips. You know what? After the last generation will be called the EBOIGBIs, okay? Yeah, I said that, you heard it from me first. The last generation is going to be called the EBOIGBIs before we leave Proxima AB to multi-dimensions, to different dimensions, to all the whole dimensions in the whole stratosphere. Yeah, you got that right, okay? Now let's continue the video, okay? Now that's pretty good. Eddie! Damn! Whoa! It's been long since I've seen this clip when I was a kid, and I missed it so much. Alright! Whoa! Damn! Pretty cool! It's giving me those Snoopy art style. You know those Snoopy, those Charlie Brown art style. Yeah, it has the same art style with that. Yeah. Eddie! Yeah. Alright, I believe that this is Dexter's laboratory. Yeah. Before it was Didi, that was the main character, but now they changed it to, I believe it was called Dexter and Didi, and then they later changed it to Dexter Laboratory. Yeah, let's check it out. Whoa! Whoa! Wow! That's Dexter! Yeah! Ha! Alright. Whoa! Whoa! Dexter Laboratory! Yeah!
1, 2, 3.
Damn! Johnny Bravo! Fuck! I loved watching this cartoon series a lot. I really do enjoy it. It's pretty good. Whoa! Alright! Yeah! But one fun thing is that Johnny Bravo missed leg day. Damn! Alright? Yeah! Yeah! Oh, that's so sad. Whoa. This is Courage the Cowardly Dog. Wow, I love it. At the end of the day, Muriel died. Well, I don't know, but that's what I saw in some cartoon, not really cartoon, in some YouTube clip. You know, all those dark, sad stories, all those dark analysis of, you know, childhood cartoons. They said at the end of the series, Muriel died. I don't know if that's true. I don't know. It's been long. I watched this when I was like 8 or 9 years old. Okay, so I can't remember a lot of this. But yeah, they said Muriel died. That's pretty sad. I don't know if it's true, but whoa. Whoa! Courage! Wow! Whoa! Damn! Ooh! No! Whoa!
Stupid dog! You made me look bad.
Damn! Ooh, gaga! Yeah!
Mama had a chicken. Mama had a cow.
Whoa!
You didn't care how.
Alright. Cow? Chicken! That was chicken! Whoa! Damn! Ha! Alright, I guess this is the end credits. It's gonna probably stay for long. Yeah, I don't know why they're saying us the end credits. Is it annoying me? Yes. Am I gonna crop it out? No. I don't give a shit. You're watching me. It's about me! Yeah, I said it! So I'm not gonna insult you, okay? It's alright. I'm starting to enjoy my stay here, okay? Oh yeah, it's my fucking channel. Subscribe. Damn. Right. Alright. Yeah. Cartoon Network. Yeah, that's how it works.
Attention campers.
Alright.
Attention campers. It's time for Camp Laszlo.
Okay, I haven't seen this cartoon. Alright. I haven't seen this one. Let's go. Wow. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, from the way I'm seeing the art style, it's probably one of the newer Cartoon Network cartoons. I haven't seen it though, but yeah, it's not that bad. Created by Joe Murray. Whoa. Damn.
Sugar,
Yeah.
spice,
Spice.
and everything nice.
Damn.
These were the ingredients chosen to create the perfect little girl.
Whoa.
Professor Utonium accidentally added an extra ingredient to the concoction.
What's that? Chemical X. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Girls were born.
Whoa.
Ultra superpowers, Blossom, Bubbles, and Buttercup
Damn.
devoted their lives to fighting crime and the forces of evil.
Whoa. Damn. All right. Damn. Okay. All right. Pop. Pop. Pow. Whoa, that's fucking cool. A Powerpuff Girl. Great. All right. Now what? All right. I like this. I love art. Art is beautiful. Okay. Okay, I've seen this. I've seen this. I think I watched it only once or twice. I don't remember, but I've seen this cartoon. I've forgotten the name. I don't know what the name is. Yeah. Yeah, I've seen it. I've seen it. Okay. Yeah. Alright. Passing through the windows. Ooh, a little blob. Okay. Wow. I've seen this. Yeah, I've seen it, but I don't know the name. Yeah. Whatever the fuck that is. Okay? This is Kidness or something like that. I do believe so. It's Kidness though. Yeah. It gets to the Kidness though. Yeah. Alright? Okay? That's to the Kidness though. Yeah! Yeah! Alright? What is this? What the fuck is this? Whoa! Billy! Okay, I haven't seen this. Is this some Halloween type? Is this some Halloween type cartoon? Whoa! Okay? Billy and Mandy. The Grim Adventures of Billy and Mandy. Wow! Whoa! Created by Maxwell Adams. Great! Okay! Whoa! What next? Where are you? We got some work to do. Whoa! Scooby Dooby Doo. Where are you? We got some work to do. Whoa! This is the Hanna-Barbera Scooby Doo. Wow, that's pretty great. Damn! Alright! Where are you? We got some work to do. Yippee! Yee! Woo! Fred and some skulls. Shaggy and Scooby. Woo! Whoa! He's going? No! Scared! Scooby Dooby Doo! Woo! Whoa! Okay! That's pretty good. Damn! Yeah, Hanna-Barbera. That's pretty great. Damn! Alright. Okay, I haven't seen this. Whoa. What? They actually showed this on TV? Damn! Alright. Whoa! Alright. I don't understand. Is it because the kids are a different race? That's why they don't like the other kid? I don't understand. What the fuck is going on? Alright. Okay. Whoa. Alright. Damn. Whoa. He doesn't miss the bus. Diagram twins. Diagram twins. Okay. Damn. Okay.
I used to go to a human school where everyone was the same.
Whoa.
Now I go to an
This cartoon has that Fairly Odd Parents art style, like the same art style with Fairly Odd Parents. That is what this cartoon is giving me, okay?
to an animal school because lion's my last name.
Whoa!
Monkey, monkey, monkey.
Damn!
Partner is a monkey. Monkey, monkey, monkey.
Monkey!
I don't know what. Going to this school's a penis?
Oh, that's a fucking penis! Whoa, what?
Okay then. My gym partner is a monkey.
Okay.
My gym partner is a monkey.
My gym partner is a monkey. Okay. I have not seen that before. Whoa, I've seen this. I actually love this cartoon. Yeah, I've seen this. I am baboon. Whoa, I am Weasel. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Whoa. I am Weasel. Whoa. This is Tom and Jerry. It's Tom and Jerry. It's Tom and Jerry. Everybody knows it's Tom and Jerry. I know that. It might not be Tom and Jerry. I don't know. I don't know. Warner Bros. Presents. But it does sound like Tom and Jerry. Or I don't know. What Bugs Bunny. I don't know. Okay, it's Bugs Bunny. Yeah, I said it. Bugs Bunny. Looney Tunes. Okay. Alright. Wow! Whoa! Yeah!
I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God.
So here are the digital comics that we have today. Okay, if you've seen this, then probably you're looking at the comics that is in the bio. Yeah, keep looking at them. They're pretty good comics, okay? Yeah, keep going. Alright. Okay, if you've seen this, then probably you're looking at the comics that is in the bio. Yeah, keep looking at them. They're pretty good comics, okay? Yeah, keep going. Alright. Okay, if you've seen this, then probably you're looking at the comics that is in the bio. Yeah, keep looking at them. They're pretty good comics, okay? Yeah, keep going. Alright. Okay, if you've seen this, then probably you're looking at the comics that is in the bio. Yeah, keep looking at them. They're pretty good comics, okay? Yeah, keep going. Alright. Okay, if you've seen this, then probably you're looking at the comics that is in the bio. Yeah, keep looking at them. They're pretty good comics, okay? Yeah, keep going. Alright. Okay, if you've seen this, then probably you're looking at the comics that is in the bio. Yeah, keep looking at them. They're pretty good comics, okay? Yeah, keep going. Alright. Okay, if you've seen this, then probably you're looking at the comics that is in the bio. Yeah, keep looking at them. They're pretty good comics, okay? Yeah, keep going. Alright. Okay, if you've seen this, then probably you're looking at the comics that is in the bio. Yeah, keep looking at them. They're pretty good comics, okay? Yeah, keep going. Alright. Okay, if you've seen this, then probably you're looking at the comics that is in the bio. Yeah, keep looking at them. They're pretty good comics, okay? Yeah, keep going. Alright. Okay, if you've seen this, then probably you're looking at the comics that is in the bio. Yeah, keep looking at them. They're pretty good comics, okay? Yeah, keep going. Alright.
I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God. I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God.
Superstar icon. Okay? Get that name right. You need it. I've been thinking of a mother victim in my own vicinity. I liked her. Too bad I piped her. She boiled to a simmer, and I took it to the shredder. Treated her like cheddar. I'm gonna kill your wife. I'm gonna kill your wife. She's giving me serial dreams. She's giving me serial dreams. I'm gonna kill your wife. I'm gonna kill your wife. She's giving me serial dreams.
I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God.
The video is ended. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot for subscribing. And also visit our store in the first link in the fucking description. Or link in the first top comments. Okay? Let's dive right into the next video. Oh wait! There is no next video because this is the outro. So go watch my other videos down below. Go visit my link in the description. Yeah, get yourself some of my products. You money grabbers. You money makers. You money creators, alright? Yeah, go ahead. Alright, bye.
I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God.